Hey Perea Panthers, today we're doing something brand new. It's called a writing workshop. So our writing workshop is featuring the letter B today, and we're going to write a narrative. You may not have heard the word narrative before. Narrative is another word for a story. So we're writing stories, and we're going to focus on the letter B, which we know makes the b sound. Let's get started. Well, wait, before we get started, see my friend down here, he's saying, wait, hold up. Little disclaimer, this lesson, if we did it in the classroom together, we would break it into chunks and do it over the course of probably a week. So there is no rush while you're doing this at home. You can break this lesson into chunks as you're comfortable. And I encourage you to just watch this whole video all the way through so you know what to do. And then you can go back and watch it again and then do it with me. The materials for this lesson are something to write with, some paper, and at the end, you'll get some crayons so you can draw a picture to go along with your narrative. All right, we're gonna start with a fire write. A fire write is when you write like your hand is on fire. You see how SpongeBob is going, he's getting it. You gotta write like SpongeBob. We're not gonna stop. It's 60 seconds or 1 minute, same thing. We're gonna write without stopping as many words as we can think of that start with the letter B. So you might write the word boy on your list, or you might write the word baby on your list, or let's see what else. You might write box on your list. Those are for free. I'm not giving away any more, okay? Fire write with the letter B, as many words as you can. And I did it too. I'm gonna share my words. All right, 60 seconds, fire write, as many words as you can think of. Don't worry about spelling right now. I just want you to get down your ideas so we can use our list to get our narrative started. Ready? Okay, let me get my timer going. Go. Don't stop. Okay, almost halfway there. Don't give up. Keep writing. Almost there. About 20 more seconds. Oh, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8. Oh, last 5 seconds. 4, 3, 2, and 1. All right, that's our 60-second fire write. Okay, put your pencils down. Don't be cheating. Okay, I did this as well. These are the words I came up with. So I have berry, bees, blue, burp, big. Oh, I put burp again, sorry. See, some of my words I put twice, but it's okay. As long as you just don't stop writing, it's okay if you repeated a couple words. But try to think of as many new words as you can. I got burn, biscuit. I hope I don't burn my biscuits. That's not good. Basic, belly button. That's 2. Like I could break that in half, right? And then I can have belly and then button and belly button. I got booger. Don't laugh. Books, Bigfoot, bend. I put bend twice. I'm sorry. I was trying to write as fast as I could. Then I have bop, baby, bog, bag, bass, or it could be bass. It could be bass like the fish, or bass like the instrument, like a really big guitar. Then we have bass like in baseball, the bases, barn and brave. Okay, that's my list. I got 24 words, which some of them don't count because I did twice. But it's okay. It's a fire write, and this is our first time. So just try the best that you can. When you get your list together, now we're gonna brainstorm. We're gonna channel our imagination. So when I see my words, I'm gonna tell you what I'm thinking, okay? I'm gonna do a think aloud. My first word is berry. That is actually a name. I have a friend named Barry. So for my narrative, I could probably name one of my characters, Barry. Yeah, I think that's what I'm gonna do. My next word is bees, like bumblebees. Oh, that's the two bees again. Bees, okay. Bees eat honey. Oh, they don't eat honey, they make honey. Blue, maybe I could have blue bees. Maybe they can be burping. Maybe they're big. Maybe they burnt their biscuits. Maybe they have belly buttons full of biscuits or something. I don't know. But maybe they like reading books. Bigfoot, that's a character. He's not real. Some people think he's real. I don't know. He could be a character in my story too. Bend. There's butter. I think, did I put butter twice? No. Bop. Maybe my character likes to bop, like dance. Maybe he has a bag. I don't know. Bass. Maybe my character lives in a barn in my story, in my narrative. Maybe my character is brave. I have a lot of ideas that I'm coming up with as I look at my words, and you're going to have a lot of ideas that you come up with too when you get your list together. I think I'm ready to write. I think we're ready. Now, we have graphic organizers. Graphic organizers help us keep our ideas organized or in order. So when we write a narrative, we always want to start with a topic sentence. That's our very first, the pretty box at the top. Topic sentence. A topic sentence is just like really the main idea. So we've talked about main idea of our story, of stories already this year. Our topic sentence is going to let our audience or whoever's reading our story know exactly what this whole story is going to be about. So when you see topic sentence, think about the main idea. I'm going to go ahead and let them know what my whole story is about. Then we have first. This is going to introduce them to our first idea in our story. Then we have next, then, and last, and then our closing sentence. I'll give you a little hint. Our closing sentence and our topic sentence are going to be very similar, almost exactly the same. So we got this. Y'all ready? I think we're ready. We are ready. Okay, for my topic sentence, if you remember when I was thinking out loud with my ideas, I have Barry, my main character. Barry, the bumblebee, loves to eat biscuits. That's what my whole story is going to be about. That's the topic sentence that I came up with. So if you want to, you can draw boxes on your paper to make it look like our graphic organizer, or you can cut the paper into 6 pieces because there's 6 boxes, or if you want to use 6 sticky notes or 6 index cards, something like that, those are just ideas. You don't have to do that. If that helps you stay organized, those are some things you can do. Or you can just be like me and just chunk it up. Topic sentence, Barry the bumblebee loves to eat biscuits. Our next box, it says first. It's going to help us stay organized. First, Barry has brave biscuits for breakfast. Oh, here's a little extra credit. If you see, you notice I have little clocks down in the bottom of my slides. If you can tell me what time it is for each meal that Barry eats, you'll get extra credit. Okay, first, Barry has brave biscuits for breakfast. Oh my gosh, so nutritious. Next, Barry has backwards biscuits for lunch. You see where we're going? What do you think he's going to have next? If you think about our school day, after lunch, we eat a what? Let's see. Then Barry eats the stick of biscuit flavored butter he hides in his belly button at snack time. This is a long sentence. This is like a big 3rd grade sentence. So your sentences don't have to be this long. I was just trying to get as many of my B words in there as I can. And you can try that too. Try to use as many of your B words as you can in your story. Last, Barry has bouncy biscuits for dinner with his family. Would y'all eat some bouncy biscuits? I wouldn't. I might bounce out of my chair. In the closing sentence, Barry thinks biscuits are the best. Now, if you remember our topic sentence at the very beginning, I believe it was Barry loves biscuits. Let's go back. Let's see. Our very first topic sentence, Barry the bumblebee loves to eat biscuits. And then our final sentence, closing sentence, Barry thinks biscuits are the best. Those two sentences are very similar, right? See? So it's no stress, no sweat. You got this. Let's put it all together. Y'all ready? Barry the bumblebee loves to eat biscuits. First, Barry has Brave biscuits for breakfast. Next, Barry has backwards biscuits for lunch. Then, Barry eats the stick of biscuit flavored butter he hides in his belly button at snack time. Last, Barry has bouncy biscuits for dinner with his family. Barry thinks biscuits are the best. Guess what, y'all? We just wrote a narrative. Give yourself a round of applause. Ooh, in a circle. Ooh, awesome job. Did you know you could write a whole narrative? I knew you could. So if you took my advice and you watched this whole video through the first time, now you know exactly what to do. So play this video back, get your supplies together, and try it with me. See how many B words you can come up with to write our first narrative featuring the letter B. I can't wait to see your stories. What you can do is write, don't worry about spelling, write your story the best that you can. And then on our Seesaw app, you can actually hit that microphone when you get ready to submit something and record yourself telling your story out loud. So we can all hear your story. And then what I think we can do as well, I think we can ask Ms. Kennedy to pick her favorite one and put it on Facebook. We'll see if we can do that. But take pictures of your story, show us what you come up with. We're so excited to see that you're continuing to learn at home. And I can't wait to hear and read everyone's stories. Take care.